Envision, increase the pain inside of that vision, man. Coming up inside of that vision, take a snapshot, take a pic in real time with filters, hearts breaking all up open wide. Inside of that darkest glow, coming from these holes, soulless ass caves, these assholes, being profound, dressed in suit, but they ain't feeling that type of hyperpop attitude, coming up from their own dreams, coming up from that kind of steam, up inside of every single thing, coming up from that better day of our lives, being met with the worst ways, ever being forced up all a part of our own life, for that fucking fight that we're fighting for in real time, and it's a real grind, being snaked out, instead of bees, snaking out, you are the real memories, so you can't dwell with the memories, with another bubble inside of the credit, hyperpop, mission, pain, trying to take the snake out on you, that type of words all made, built the proxy, hijacked and hacked away, been watching everything, hearing everything, to leave lost snake, all in your own mind, CIA brigade, punched up niggas in their own hearts, chest or brain, all spurred off, motherfucker, you're cursed off, worst off, in your own worst off ways, your whole demonic ass shit brigade made, designed this kind of hyperpop vision, you wanted to take away and snake away for me, in a real charitable type, coming up inside that hardware spit with me, let's be up in that real time, the real grind, coming up equipped, these motherfuckers split, in their own heads as visions, in their own heads as visions, CIA be a dick brigade name, shove that shit down their throats, shove that shit down their fucking throats, shove that shit down their fucking throats, and make them listen to it worldwide, come and make them shove that shit down their throats, taking up from here worldwide, take it out worldwide.